Hi guys, if it's Tuesday, it's Down and Dirty Bushcraft. Stay with me. Okay, today guys, we're going to continue with the cooking series a little bit. And this one doesn't use a bush pot, it uses a skillet. And we're going to make biscuits, or what I heard when I was a boy of army biscuits. It's a fried biscuit. So, let me show you how this works. Okay, we've let the stove come up to temp. Now I'm going to back it back down to low heat. Not quite out, but down low. Okay? Now I'm going to take my skillet, set it up there. I'm going to take and let that heat up. And as I do, I'm going to add just a little bit of butter to the pan. Like this. A good coating of butter in there. Now, I'm going to take my can of biscuits, open them up, take a biscuit, gently set it in the butter. About 3 of them in this skillet. Make sure the butter runs around them. And now we're going to let that go for just a couple minutes on low. Got my spatula ready for flipping. And I want to make sure I got enough butter in there. If the butter disappears like it just did, it's easy to just add a little bit more. Because you're kinda, not exactly, but kinda frying them. Notice how they're puffing up already. Just like that. Keep rotating, make sure that butter goes all the way around. You want it a nice low temperature. And they just puff up. I can remember I was probably 10 or 12 years old. The first time I ever seen my granddaddy do this. I thought he was crazy, trying to cook a biscuit in a frying pan. But it worked. All you need is heat to activate everything. Get a good crust on the outside, just like that. Now notice my butter absorbed up. I'm going to put just a little bit more right in the middle. Swirl it around. Make sure all of them are getting a good coat of butter on the bottom. Keeps from sticking. Having a good skillet, a little bitty small skillet like this, makes a big difference as well. It'll take just probably 5 minutes to make them. You're seeing steam come out of them. That's good. You start seeing that steam, flip them. They'll start to want to burn, so you gotta be kind of quick. Pick it up off the heat a little, like you see me do here. Roll it around. Hold it up here high in the column a little bit. They're just about done now. Roll them up on the edge a little. Layers are starting to flake out on me now. Now you can use bannock. Anything that will make a biscuit you can use for this. Quick and easy. Now I'm just going to keep moving them so they don't stick. Now I'm going to take these off and do the next batch. A generous hunk of butter. Coat the pan. Set the biscuits in. Just like that. So, that's a fried biscuit. Now, how about an up close? This is them biscuits I just made. As you can see, they're nice and flaky. They are done completely in the middle. They're a regular biscuit, just like you baked. Except I use so much butter, that infused into them, so it's a buttery biscuit. And yeah, I got a little too dark. Okay, I can live with that. But you know what I mean. Work through it. Now let me take one apart right here and I'll let you see the inside. Excuse me for eating in front of you. Okay, that is the biscuit. And you pull it apart. You see the internal layers? And they are flaky and done. No need to bake them. Now when I was young, I remembered seeing my granddaddy do these. And I already talked about the first time, but I'd hear them referred to as army biscuits. Or I guess a way of doing it, the army way. And I have heard stories of these being made up in U.S. Army mess kits on fires where they would take and make up the biscuit dough and just fry the biscuit dough right there in fat or lard. And make biscuits to eat with whatever. And that's a quick and easy way to do it. Now I'm using canned biscuits here. Yes, you could use from scratch. Wouldn't be any problem. Same idea. You could take bannock or whatever and do it. If you added cinnamon and all kinds of stuff, you can make something like a fry bread for use as a treat. So there's all kinds of things you can do with this simple idea of a pan. Start out with kind of high heat, then drop it down to low heat, and watch the pastry puff up. Real easy. Hope you enjoyed this, guys. There'll be another cooking coming up on Thursday, and we're going to talk about the main meal to go with these biscuits I just made, if I don't eat all of them. Till next time, I'm Blackie, wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys. God, he's good.